Hello friends! Today let's cook egg in 4 different ways. First is boiled egg. Put the eggs into the water. Add some salt. Put on the fire. Cover it with a lid. Boil it for 5 to 6 minutes. Turn off the fire. Transfer it into the cold water. Peel the egg. That's it. Number 2, bullseye. Heat the pan. Add some butter. Crack the egg into the pan. Some salt, tomato powder, pepper powder, transfer it into the plate. It's very juicy. We are done. Number 3, scrambled egg. Add some salt into the egg. Mix it with a fork. Heat the pan. Add some butter. Pour the egg into the pan. Cover it with the lid. You can put some pepper and scrambled egg. Transfer it to the plate. Taste it. Number 4, poached egg. Heat about 4 inches of water in the pan. Add quarter cup of vinegar. Keep egg ready in a bowl. When the water starts to bubble, you to swirl like this. Gently drop the egg into the water. Wait till it gets scooped. Lift the egg using a spoon. Drain excess water. Feels like jelly. Juicy. Sprinkle some salt and ready to go. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.